It's that Joe Dirt car. That bitch clean in a motherfucker. You got the Optima battery in that bitch too. Hemi. This that set Chevy Bel Air, baby. I like this bitch. Got the Kragar mags. I'm really not a car guy like that, but I appreciate good ones. The other side, that Viper. It's one of my dream cars if I ever. I like the 64 and the 62. Drop top with some Daytons. Kragars. Oh, he got the racing straps in there. See his business right here. Nah, this ain't the El Camino. I appreciate it. That's that Rivy, baby. This should have been pink, baby. It's slick though, Jack.
They finally made a deal for a lot of money, and it was just like trailer. Here's Zero.
It's back in Al Capone them days. They was riding cars like this.
Yeah. And I was up there with
This bitch can go. Camaro, fake bussin'. Thunderbird. What's the word? Thunderbird. A beetle.